Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. In last section, we are just continue with the topic IoT elements, in which we are cover the identification, that means object ID and address, gathering of data, connect a heterogeneous object, processing unit and software applications, identity related, few information aggregation, collaborative aware and ubiquitous services, and also cover in IoT elements which is used for extracting knowledge smartly by different machines. Here we are seeing the synchronizations of sensing technologies enabled by WSN wireless sensor network technologies cuts across many areas of modern day living. This offers the ability to measure, infer, and understand environmental indicators from delicate ecologies and natural resources to urban environments. This topic is cover in which I describe this device in a communication actuating network create the IoT, wherein sensors and actuators blend seamlessly with the environment around us, and the information is shared across platform in order to develop a common operating pictures, in which we are cover, for example, home, health, entertainment, security, utilities and appliances. All are connected with IoT's sensing, analytics and virtualization tools, which is used anytime, anything and anywhere. Like in transport, we are seeing the logistics, traffic, parking, emergency service and highway. We are used many applications which is based on IoT. In community, like the factory, retails, environment, surveillance and business intelligence, smart metering, all are example of IoT. In national wise, we can see the defense, utilities, map, infrastructures, smart grids for electricity, remote monitoring are also IoT. Doctors and caregiver also use IoT. Home, policymakers and industrialists all are use this kind of technologies with IoT elements. Here we are look after the applications in which you are seen here in figure. The application areas are smart cities, smart environment, smart energy, smart agriculture, e-health, retail, logistics and industrial control. All are the applications of Internet of Things, in which we are cover the basic parameters like the activity streams, wireless power, social analytics, group buying, gamification, 3D printing, image recognition, speed-to-speed translations, IoT natural language processing, mobile robots, big data and extreme information processing and management, social TV, video analytics, computer brain interface, quantum computing, human augmentations, 3D bioprinting, that all are technology triggers, which is also used the internet, NFC payment, private cloud computing, cloud computing, media, tablets, virtual assistants, gesture recognitions, machine-to-machine communication service, mesh networks like sensors, all are just the top of a peak of inflated expectations. Here you can see the smart home, all controlled by smartphone or tablets like lights, speakers, window shade, laptop, TV, tablets. Then also cover the exterior lighting, garage, door, speakers, TV, Wi-Fi routers, door locks, refrigerator, lights, video surveillance, power meter. This is basic applications with example of smart homes using IoT technologies. Smart cars, in which you can see here the connecting to network, internet, which is used to mapping information, which is also used for streaming audio and video, engine diagnostics, point of interest, traffic information, autonomous driving the data, touchscreen console, in which we have covered the audio, navigation, text and voice recognition. We are also connected with LTE radio, video screen and speakers. Sensors also used at the front and the back side of car, which is also used for chassis balances also. This is example of applications in smart cars. Healthcare system, we are all devices connected with internet. Here doctors are consulting with a video monitor in home healthcare devices. You can see easily. Smart farms, farmers connected with the computers by network, which is also either satellite or local. RFID readers are there, in which we are collecting all kind of data using sensors. Shopping, you are already aware with the shopping applications of the e-commerce, digital billing systems, payment systems. When we are entering the doors, the scanners will identify the tags on our clothing. Second, when shopping in the market, the goods will introduce themselves. When moving the goods, the reader will tell the staff to put a new one. And when paying for the goods, the microchip of the credit card will communicate with the checkout readers. This is a shopping. Smart jars, here you can see here the LED light ring, detachable base, load cell, Bluetooth LE sensors and wireless charging are connected with a jars. Here you can see the features like the intelligence, inspire and innovative, that real-time nutrition, consumption tracking, fitness synchronization, receivers, freshness alerts and zero touch shopping. This is a smart chart. This is all about IoT. Internet usage and population statistics, you can see here up to 2003 to 2020, which is elaborate the ratio of connected device per person, the world population and connected peoples. You can see here in 2020 the connected devices are 50 billions and connected devices per person in 2020 6.58 billion. This is all about the visualization, is just one of the critical part of IoT application, as this enable interaction of user with environment. With recent advances in touchscreen technology, use of smart tablets, phones has become very intuitive for a layperson to fully benefit from the IoT revolution. Attractive and easy to understand visualization have to be created. As we move from 2D to 3D screen, more information can be provided to the user in meaningful way for consumers. This will also enable policymakers to convert data into knowledge, which is critical in fast decision making. The extraction of meaningful information from raw data is non-trivial. This accomplishes both event detection and visualization of the associated raw and modeled data, with information represented according to the needs of the end users. This is a just understanding of the entire usage and the population of statistics by using many applications. The components of IoT, like a thing in the Internet of Things, can be person with a BP monitor implant, a farm animal with biochip transponder, automobile that has built-in sensor to alert the driver when tire pressure is low, any other natural or man-made objects that can be assigned an IP address and provided with the ability to transfer data over a network. You already seen the many applications, domains which will be impacted by the emerging IoT. The application can be classified based on the type of network, availability, coverage, scale, repeatability, user involvement, and impact. We characterize the application into 4 application domains. First one, consider personal and home, enterprise, then utilities, and a mobile. This is already represented in previous slide, which represent the personal and home IoT at the scale of an individual or home. Enterprise IoT, the scale of community. Utility IoT at the national or regional scale, and mobile IoT, which is usually spread across other domains, mainly due to the nature of connectivity and scale. There is a huge crossover in the application and the use of data between the domains. For instance, the personal and home IoT produce the electricity usage data in the house and make it available to the electricity company, which can in turn optimize supply and demand in the utility IoT. Internet enables sharing of data between different service providers in a seamless manner, creating a multiple business opportunities. This is just for knowledge and examples. We are looking a component of IoTs already discussed. Then IoT is a combination of you already aware the sensors, network, standards, intelligent analysis, and intelligent actions. For applications like the academic, transport, logistics, healthcare, and agriculture. Communication technologies, which is signals collected by sensors, can be transferred over network. Either it is a local network or some ISP providers or the satellite network. Different components or typical network include routers, bridges in different topology, including LAN, MAN, PAN, and WAN. Connecting the different parts of network to the sensors can be done by different technologies, include the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, low power Wi-Fi, Ethernet, long-term evolution, LTE, cellular IoT, or Li-Fi. We are already seen in previously topic the smart metering, consumers, agriculture, smart cities, and smart buildings. Type of sensors, the active and passive. There are basically 2 types. The selection of sensor greatly impacted by many factors. Basic technical parameters are purpose, like a temperature, motion, bio, etc., which is basically done for accuracy, reliability, range, resolutions, level of intelligence, like dealing with noise and interference. This is all type of sensors you can see here. Thank you. But I just want to tell you the conclusion of entire smart environment application domain in terms of IoT, which is basically use cloud computing, wireless sensor networks, and network of things, and many applications like the surveillance, critical infrastructure monitor like bridges, dams, environment monitoring, health monitoring, smart transportations, and many applications. Here I need to summarize the entire session, in which the device with communicating actuating capabilities is bringing closer the vision of an Internet of Things, where the sensing and actuation functions blend into the background and new capabilities are made possible to access of reach new information sources. The evolution of the next generation mobile system will depend on the creativity of the users in designing a new applications. IoT is an ideal emerging technology to influence this domain by providing a new evolving data and the required computational resources for creating revolutionary applications. Presented here is a user-centric cloud-based model for approach this goal though the interaction of private and public clouds. The need of end user are brought to the fore, allowing for necessary flexibility to meet the diverse and something comparative need of different sectors. We need the framework enabled by scalable cloud to provide the capability to utilize the IoT. The framework allows a networking, computation, storage, and visualization themes separate, thereby allowing dependent growth in every sector but complementing each other in a shared environment. The standardization which is underway in each of these themes will not be adversely affected with cloud at its center. In proposing the new framework, associated challenges have been highlighted, ranging from appropriate interpretation and visualization of the vast amount of data drawn to the privacy, security, and data management issues that must underpin such as a platform in order for it to be genuinely viable. The consolidation of international initiative is quite clearly accelerating progress toward an Internet of Things, which is providing an overarching view for the integration and functional elements that can deliver an operational IoT. Thank you. This is Dr. Vijay Kumar Gadvi, and now we are declared the unit number 2 is completed. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.